Hi guys, welcome back to Vex's Live. It's your girl Vanessa, and if you want to make a paint splatter effect on your photos, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so what you want to do is open the app PICSART and then select the image that you want to edit, and then select the cutout feature. You know, the little scissors, you'll see it, you won't miss it. Anyway, just outline the entire photo, or to save time you can click the little person icon. I don't know what to call it. Anyways, just cut it out. It will look like this. And then you want to save it privately. Let's keep these odds. 1 second. Anyway, just save it privately on PICSART and select done, and then select add. And what we're gonna do is scroll down to color backgrounds and choose the white background, and then select sticker and select my stickers, and then select cutouts. There, and the cutout you just saved will be right there. And then all you want to do is resize it, make it bigger, just like that with your fingers. Use the pinch and zoom effect with your fingers, and then select add photo, and then type drip in the search bar or paint splatter effect, and choose the black one. It has to be black to work. Anyways, select it and make it bigger as well, and then select blend, and then select multiply and lighten. And there you have it. It's pretty easy, just like that. Just keep moving it around until you know it looks good. And once you're satisfied with how it looks, just select next and save it to your gallery. And that's it, guys. I'm gonna do it on one more picture just in case you missed a step. Once again, select your PICSART up and select add, or select the plus sign at the bottom. Select your image, and then you want to select the cutout thingy or the scissors, and this time I'm going to use the little person icon or whatever, so that PICSART cuts it out for me. And there you have it, just like that, very easy. And then all you want to do is select next in the top right corner and select save and upload privately on PICSART. Select done, and then what you want to do is select add, and then scroll on down to color backgrounds and select your white background, and select sticker and select my sticker, and select cutouts, and this is where you'll find your cutout. And there you have it. All you want to do is pinch it and make it bigger, pinch outwards and make it bigger, just like that, until you're satisfied. Keep moving it around to the center, and then select add a photo, and then select search and type drip in the search bar, and you should select the one that it's black. The colored ones won't work. Anyway, select the black one, make it bigger as well, and then select blend. After that, select blend and then move on to multiply, and then keep on moving onto lighten. That will make it white, and make it a little bit bigger, and then resize it, you know, to fit your image. And just like that, you guys, it's very easy to make cool artsy pictures and cool edits on PICSART. I forgot to mention earlier, in case the face is covered, just select erase and erase the white bits that are covering the face, and that's it. And once you're done, select next and save the image to your phone. And then here's a funky edit that I made. Just as usual, open your PICSART app and add photo, and then select sticker, and in the search bar you want to type BTS, and just look for whatever icon you want to add. I added let's see, I added BTS World. It's a sticker that I found. PICSART has a ton of stickers that you can use to spice up your pictures or your images. Anyways, there it is. I'm making it bigger like that. And then I'm gonna select brushes just to, you know, add a bit of funk to the image. Now that doesn't look right, so keep on going. Oh, I choose the huts. Yeah, that looks much better. Looks pretty cool, huh? Anyways, save the image. And that's it, guys. That's how you can edit your pictures on a PICSART. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for more, and make sure you like, share, and most importantly, subscribe for more. Bye.